Find or read reviews that people are talking about. KZLVN Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2023 Slimmest, Newest, Fastest, and Smallest Wireless CarPlay Adapter, for iOS, Factory Wired CarPlay Cars. USB-A and USB-C cables included. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Sleek design. The KZLVN Wireless CarPlay Adapter boasts a sleek and modern design that complements any car interior. Its slim profile makes it easy to install and use. Lightning-fast connection. With 2.4 and 5 GHz modules, this CarPlay dongle provides the fastest and most reliable connection possible. Say goodbye to lag and buffering. Hassle-free setup. The KZLVN Pro Slim Edition connects quickly and automatically after pairing. Simply pair it using Bluetooth and turn on your Wi-Fi settings. Hassle-free installation. The CarPlay adapter also comes with USB-A to USB-A cable extension for tight-fit areas and a USB-A to USB-C cable for cars with car stereos who have USB-C ports. Easy updates. Keep your CarPlay dongle up to date with the latest software updates. Simply reference manual for hassle-free updates. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.